Hey guys, it's Femi, and today we're going to review some really budget things like these keycaps and keyboards. Quick review on the keycaps. They're very cheap. I would just suggest spending the money and actually getting some good keycaps off of Etsy. The only one that it's worth for is the croissant one. Other than that, we got some keyboards. This one right here was $5.55. As you can see, I still got the price tag on it. And then the one underneath it is actually going to be $10. So it is a bit more expensive, but you'll see why. Just going to unbox these really fast, and then we'll get right into it. Finally, after getting the keyboard out of the case, we can really look at it. I'm looking at the manual, trying to show you guys, but not that great of a showing of it. Half of it's cut off. Didn't even realize. Looking for the feet and everything. So I noticed it does not have adjustable feet where you can flip them out. It's just automatically how it is. But it does have the rubber stops. And then I go and grab my phone, because you can fit your phone in that slot right there. That's what it's made for. It's so super cool. I did like the keyboard, but I don't know how to feel about the WASD keys. It's supposed to make it have more of a glow for those keys when you have the RGB on, but I don't like how it looks without it. Here I am taking off the keycap itself, trying to figure out what type of system it's using for the mechanical part. And I apologize if you hear my cat in the background making a ruckus. So here I am showing it. It's the normal cheap mechanical keyboard stuff, to be honest, because soon you shall see what I'm talking about. By what I mean by the most like stereotypical mechanical cheap budget keyboard mechanics. The one separated from the other three is the one on the keyboard. As you can see, it has those little prongs and everything. It's not a normal keycap. Got the mechanism inside itself. The blue one has a bit too much extension on it, as well as the black. Those two are very similar, but this pink one came from a $40 set that I got from Job Lots. And then on the back, you got the screws and everything to keep it all in, but I'm showing off. It got the rubber feet on the back. Here's another pass of that, showing that their light is on when you turn it on, and that is the key to turn on the RGB. It's a single still frame RGB, but it's better than nothing, to be honest. And soon we'll be doing a tap test. As you can see, I'm trying to show off the metal itself. It's not a smooth texture, it's actually kind of bumpy. That's the best I was gonna do for the tap test. I don't know how to show that it's metal, but it is. But as you know, it's not hot swappable, but you can change the keycaps. The original price of this is $10, but it can range from $12 to $140. overall, I really enjoy this keyboard. And to be honest, I would suggest it to people who don't know if they're going to get fully into the hobby, but want something that looks nice, kind of feels great, and will hold their phone there for sure. Like, look at that. That's nice. It won't slide around either. But yeah, depending on what you get, will either be $12 to $140. If you go towards the higher price range, well, the reason why you do that is because it's hop swappable and you can customize it. This you cannot customize at all. Just to let you guys know. Now on to this white keyboard. It sounds great, I will let you know that. But oh my god, I had problems right off the bat with this keyboard. First off, trying to pull a keycap off to see what mechanisms it was trying to use under it, I just couldn't. I couldn't at all. I didn't want to rip it out at all because I don't want to damage the keyboard at all. But yeah, I just left it alone. You cannot it's not hop swappable. You cannot remove the keys at all. There's the RGB, and there's gonna be a button at the top that you press to turn it on and off. There it is. So about this keyboard, it is only $5.55, but it slides around, and I would suggest going with a higher ranged, higher priced keyboard. You can either go for $21 to $220, but sometimes I've even seen it go up to $163. As you can notice, I'm like doing a little tap test, and I'm like sliding that around. And yeah, there was like the flippable feet, the adjustable, so you can choose what level. But they made a whole section where the pad's supposed to be and just forgot to put it there. So to be honest, if you get this, you might need to mod it. Okay, for $5.55, this keyboard isn't that bad. I did test out on a mat or not if it would slide around. No matter what, this keyboard slides around. It's just not heavy enough while you press. I would suggest adding some like things to the bottom of it to make it not slide, or maybe like, I don't even know, but wouldn't truly suggest this one completely for someone, but it is really, really nice sounding. It's great for people who don't want to hear anything. Okay guys, time to get into the giveaway details, what you've probably been waiting this entire video. So here are the rules for you guys. You have to be 18 or older. If you are a minor, you need an adult's permission or legal, oh my god, can't pronounce this, but I can, a legal guardian. You need a legal guardian if you are a minor. This is only going to be hosted in the USA. Only one entry per person, and please fill out every required part. This giveaway is going to be happening starting when this video uploads January 10th to all the way January 31st. I think that's a good amount of time to allow a lot of people to enter if, quote unquote, if a lot of people enter. But even if 1 or 2 people enter, I will be happy giving them the keyboards they want. There are going to be 5 winners, and the winners shall be announced on February 1st. Everything will be updated on the form as well. This is an older version, but as you can see, when you click on the link to go to the giveaway, you're going to pop up with this. Please read the rules, what you will receive, and the disclaimer. Once you do so, you can even click on the links for the terms of services and YouTube community guidelines, even though they are not involved with this giveaway, but you still have to make sure you abide. Once you sign into a Gmail, you can answer the questions. Here I am answering it real quick. And I even put the pictures up there so you guys can remember which ones are which. I even left a video suggestion response box right down at the bottom, just in case you want to see anything. Literally, fill out the form whatever way you want to. As you can see, I'm struggling here. This is what happens when you put on ceramic keycaps, but they don't have legends. And you're like, oh well, it will be fine. I can still type. This is what happens. But anyways, back to the giveaway. Once you finish it, you will see you can edit your response. Say if you change your mind over the 2-3 weeks that we're hosting this giveaway, you can decide that you want the other keyboards, so you can quickly just change it and change all your responses. Please just make sure that you respond for the required questions. It probably won't let you fill out and enter the form otherwise, but I just want to reiterate, please fill out the form. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry it took so long to create this video. I haven't had enough time to actually do the voiceover for this video because of the times that I work and the times I need to go out and do errands. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and that possibly you'll join the giveaway. All you need to do is be 18 or older. Unless you're a minor, you need a guardian's permission. You need to be in the US. And just make sure you fill everything out before the 31st. Okay, guys? Don't forget, if you really enjoyed this video, hit a like, because that lets me know that you enjoyed this content. And I do look at everything. And I mean everything. I mean every comment, every like, every video. I always check. If you ever want me to, respond to something, if you have a question, just give me a couple hours. Either I'm working or busy, and we'll get to you. We promise. We are so thankful for you guys, and we hope you have a lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe and check out more of our videos. See you guys. Bye.